Hey everybody, Sean here, and I hope you're doing well. We have less than 2 months until the new Demon Slayer movie called The Domino Revival hits theaters on October 24th. This is a one-day opportunity for us to help those that are being deceived by this Demon Slayer movement. I'll leave a link under the description that you can find a theater near you, and please, get some like-minded Christians to be at those theaters either before the movie begins or after the movie finishes so that you can preach the truth and that a born-again believer cannot have a demon living in them that needs to be cast out. As I mentioned before, we had one guy show up to one of these events and confronted one of these phonies face to face.
No.
Come out of him right now.
No.
Come out of him right now in the name of
I don't
Jesus.
have a demon in me.
Come out.
You
Come
see,
up
you
and
have
come
to
out.
ask multiple times.
Come up and come out. Come
you
up
have the
and
authority of
manifest
Jesus
yourself
Christ,
and come out.
then that
You
would mean the
spirit of
demons would
mockery,
come out.
You spirit of hindrance, get out.
How am I
in the
mocking?
name of Jesus.
Sir,
Come
how am I
out.
mocking?
Come out. Come out.
Why do you have to
Come
repeat
out.
yourself if you have the authority of Christ?
I bind you in the name of Jesus.
What are you binding?
I bind you in the name of Jesus.
What is you?
Get behind me, Satan.
Are you a Christian?
Get behind me, Satan.
Are you a Christian?
Demon, you know who I am.
Are you a Christian?
Come up and come out right now.
Do you deny Christ? Sir, are you a
By the
Christian?
authority of the courtroom of heaven, in the name of Jesus
Are you a
Christ,
Christian?
come out. Come out. I bind you, Satan.
Are you a Christian?
I bind you. Is Jesus your Lord, young
Yes.
man? Yes,
Jesus
he
is my Lord. Is he
So
yours?
this spirit...
And it's easy when you're filled with God's truth. So please share this video and let's unite to help as many people as possible be set free from the lies these demon slayers are spreading.